In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wireframe in Figma in the easiest way possible. This 2025 guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you have a smooth and efficient experience. So, let's get started. First things first, open Figma and create a new file. By starting with a blank canvas, we'll have the freedom to design our layout from scratch or build on existing templates. Once your file is open, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll find the Templates and Tools section, which is essential for our wireframe creation process. Click on it to reveal a variety of design resources at your disposal. Now, we want to navigate to Design Resources and then select Wireframes. This is where you'll find a library of pre-designed templates specifically crafted to streamline your wireframing process. These templates are excellent starting points because they are crafted by professionals and can give you a significant head start. After exploring the templates, select one that best fits the project you have in mind. Choosing a template doesn't mean you're bound to it, but it can offer some structure and inspiration, helping you set the stage for your unique design elements. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to bring in the frame tool. This powerful feature in Figma allows you to create the skeletal structure of your screen layout, setting the dimensions and boundaries of the different sections within your design. With the frame in place, we can now add some shapes to represent various UI elements. Use simple shapes like rectangles and circles to outline buttons, text boxes, and other interface components. Remember, the goal of a wireframe is to focus on layout, not the fine details of visual design. It's all about understanding where elements will be placed and how they will interact with each other. Following the shapes, use the text tool to add labels and headings. Doing so will give clarity to the purpose of each element, ensuring that you or anyone reviewing the design understands the intended functionality of the different components. Keep your text straightforward and consistent, only using it where necessary. When designing your wireframe, simplicity is key. Keep the design minimal and concentrate on the overall layout and structure. This minimalistic approach helps in maintaining focus on how the application or website functions and flows, rather than getting caught up in colors or detailed styles too early in the process. To make sure everything lines up perfectly, use grids and guides. These tools help you maintain alignment and symmetry across your wireframe, ensuring that every element is neatly aligned and spaced consistently. This not only enhances the visual clarity of your wireframe, but also makes it easier to scale or modify if needed. Finally, once you're satisfied with your wireframe, it's time to share or export it for feedback. Figma makes collaboration easy, allowing you to share your design with colleagues or clients who can view and comment directly on your file. Feedback at this stage is invaluable as it allows you to make necessary adjustments before moving into deeper design phases. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a wireframe in Figma easily and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.